My name is Yvon Chausseblanche. I live in Alameda, California. I'm a retired IT consultant. And since I retired back in 2010, living near LAX, I attended a zillion live events on all different type of topics, be it real estate, investing, marketing, self-development, clinical hypnotherapy, whatever, NLP. And granted, it's a virtual event, and this is for the bang for the buck. This is by far, so far, early morning, day 2, the best value I've seen. I love the integrity of the people. The drone boss gave us freebie to get content similar to his book, which is already selling just for the cost of shipping. And I guess I'm touched because this level of integrity is rarely seen. Plus, Diego is very funny. I have somebody who noticed yesterday, as I was taken as a volunteer to work with Diego, that, oh, this guy who's referring to me looked like Clint Eastwood. And I know Clint Eastwood's pretty old. And I felt like saying, well, I did back in 1970, when I was 20 years old, I had an English girlfriend. We thought felt like I looked like Clint Eastwood, and I did not dissuade her. A fantastic day. Anybody, forget about being in the drone business. The value, the mind-changing information delivered about getting away from platitude, about how to implement strategy, marketing, and make any small business between failure, poverty, or success. If somebody follows the leads and take action, I highly recommend it. And I'm delighted I just signed up for this program, and it's been the best investment I've done so far in 70-some years. Thank you.